ready to upgrade your life to an unparalleled level of comfort and class. Then come over to Pilgrim Street NE1 in Newcastle Upon Tyne. Aligning with your preferences and individual needs, Pilgrim Street NE1 student accommodation offers a range of medium to large studio apartments, all tastefully furnished with plush beds, ample storage space, well-designed bathrooms, and a kitchen where you can channelize your inner master chef. Feel the need to unwind. Head straight to the in-house cinema, coffee lounge, or the games room. And if you're all about staying fit, the property on-site gym is at your disposal. INTO Newcastle University is just a 9-minute walk from your doorstep, and Newcastle University is only an 11-minute stroll away. And for hassle-free commuting, Pilgrim Street Bus Stop and Monument Metro Station are both just minutes away. Moreover, Sainsbury's Local and Tesco Express are suitably situated within a 10-minute walk, making everyday life incredibly convenient. Head over to amberstudent.com to turn this dream into your very own reality.